Rebound, number 24. Same ball. Foul. Number 3. First foul. First team foul. Number 3, pink. 2 free throws. Number 24. Okay. 1-20. First point of the game. Second free throw, no. Rebound number 18, another attempt, nothing. Foul, number 23. First foul, first team foul. Three points by number 1. Gastado. Rebound number 24, 2 points. Number 24, first foul, second team foul. What happened? 2 team fouls, blue team. And then 1 more. Rebound number 1, follow up, nothing. Foul. Number 18, blue team. No foul. Sorry, no foul. Gastado, another 2 points by number 1. Magandang rebound. Number 24. Yes, sir. Number 3, follow up, wala. 2 points by number 20. Team captain, Kaway. Yun, no? Steal by number 20. Same ball. Kickball, blue ball. Number 23, wala. Shooting foul rep, who's foul? Number 23. First foul, third team foul. number 23 blue. Yeah, three team fouls now. Oh, is it 2 fouls now?
Number 23 to 5.
Oh. Who's foul? Number 18. Number 18. Foul. 4 team fouls. Ay. Okay. 6. 7-6. So, yeah, he got 1 free throw. Number 3, he got 1 free throw. Nice spin. Who is it? Number 13. Who's number 13? Blue team. I don't think we have number 13. You right with number 13. Vito for 3. No. Short. Follow up number 13. Back to back 2 points. Number 23 attempting 3. Same ball. Blue ball. Reach-in foul. Number 1. Pink team. Number 1. Foul. Attempting 2, no? Flying high for 2 points. Alex for 3. Yes, sir! Alain mo yun. Naging 3-pointer si Alex. Advantage foul. Unnecessary foul. Number 26. 2 shots plus ball possession. Because the offensive player is way ahead. Wala na, clear out na, wala nang oras. Wala. Another free throw. Wala na yan, wala nang oras yan. Yes. Basket counts, foul, number 13. First foul, first team foul. Yeah, that one, number 13. Yeah, number 13. So he scored 2 points. Number 23 scored 2 points. Okay.
Ngayon na, nagtrabaho na si number 23. Back to back 2 points. Andrade, thinking 3. Number 1, pull up. Yes, sir. Number 26, wala. Another follow-up ay nakasungkit ng foul. Number 24, blue. Number 24, blue. 2 fouls.
1 foul each team.
Sub-sir, number 13.
Pero ba kayo mag-sub? Ilan pa kayo?
Walang player.
Next dead ball sub, Mr. Blue.
Next dead ball substitution. Santiago, 2 points for number 12. Dagle, short, rebound number 12. Locking foul, number 23. Second team foul. Santiago, taking. Navarro attempting 3, short.
Andrade,
2 points. Number 23, short. Rebound number 1. Ay! Who's foul? 13. Number 13 foul. Blue team. 2 team fouls. Blue team. Bastardo. 1 free throw. Yes. Two shots for Bastardo. Number 1. Number 23 straight to the basket.
kailangan naman double team niya yan.
Sub.
Time out. Blue team.
Yan no.
Number 26. No. Number 3, timeout. Number 12, assist to number 1. Well, nothing. Number 24 is stolen by number 23. Ay. Oh, nice rebound by number 26. Number 26, 2 points. Trouble. Pink team now ahead by 1 point. Santiago, short, 26 short. Another attack, wala. Number 6, 2 points. Andrade for 2 points. Blocked by number 1. Number 1 in a hurry. Pass to number 6. Stolen by number 3. Blocked by number 23. 3 seconds violation. Number 30. Number 6. Two shots by number 3. First shot, yes.
Pag hindi na
Ano po yung kamay? Sub na yun?
Injury substitution. 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 Andrade, labas na.
What happened? Lane violation? What? Okay. Okay.
No, the ball left his hand.
Douglas lost the ball. 20 seconds to go. Seconds to go. Oi! 3 seconds. 1 second. No more. Score is tied after 2 quarters. Third quarter on the way. Three-point shot. Lugito, short. Mamadali sa number 13. Ay. Hombre. Magandang laro ni Hombre. Gastardo for 3. Number 23, almost. Rebound number 24, short. Rebound number 23. Giambo.
Whose ball? Mr. Mo.
Going this way.
Blue ball. Blue. Almost. Nagmamadali si number 1, pinasa kay 23, yes, pasok.
Did we not swap the score?
No, I don't swap score.
Okay.
Want me to swap score?
Yeah, let's swap it.
Another 3 points by number 1, so the score is now 29 for Pink. Lost the ball.
I will swap it when we
Yeah,
stop.
okay.
The score is now swapped. Short. Rebound, number 26. Number 26 against 5 players. Gastardo, almost. Pag walang dito, continue lang ang laro. Side step move by Gastardo. 2 points, another 2 points by number 1. Knockout play, number 30. Same ball, 10 seconds, shot clock. 26, spinning, rebound 24. Push down, 74. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Number 13.
Offensive foul number 13. 13.
Substitution. Wala ang bola. Makalit, number 23 for 2 points. Mamadali si Giba. Nice pass si number 26. Apat pa rin ang hinahabol ng blue team. Tumirada ng Tres Andrade. Pasok. 3 points. Number 6. Isa na lang ang lamang ng pink team. Good. Pangilinan. Wala. Makani ay short. Kaya naman si Andrade. Wala pa rin. Wala na. Kaway-kaway sa mga bagong dating. O, time out. Gen X. Ayan na. Si number 26, biglang nabuhayan. Nawala ang tama. Andrade, attempting 3. Pasok. The score is tied 35. Sinuhit. Ay, sumabit. Number 24. Ilan ang foul ni Neil? Number 24, blue.
Foul.
3 fouls. Tatlo pa lang si Neil. 3 fouls. One free throw by number 23. Another free by number 6. Parang gusto niyang tapusin ni number 6. 5 ang kalaban ni number 10. Ay, foul. Foul. Number 5, foul. Oh, foul si Vito. Mainit si Andrade. Ayan na, si Bacani. Tumirada ng 3. Pasok! Parang gusto nang tapusin ng blue team. Kaya lang, mahaba pa ang laban. Third quarter pa lang. Nawala kay Gastardo. Napunta kay 23. Napaganda pa. 40 seconds to go. Lamang na ang blue team. Ayan na naman. Ayan na naman si Bacani. Libre na naman. Wala. Same ball. 25 seconds to go. Para matapos sa third quarter. Andrade decided to pass. Ayan na naman si Bacani. Ayan na. Ayan na. Hoy! Ay, wala na. Wala na. Ubos na ang oras. Not counted. Magpagupit na kayo kay Brian pag mahaba ng buhok nyo. Pumunta kayo sa Glen Iris. Gastardo, pinasa kay Pangilinan. Wala. Oh, blue daw, blue. Yan na, naitawag na. Wala talaga. Napunta na sa Kenil. Ay! Counted pa rin? Tinamaan. Ano ba yan? Ano muna tayo? Injury time out. Stop clock na. Stop clock.
Okay.
Number 24, counted free throw.
Okay. Number 24 ng blue. Okay. Number 24 blue team got 2 plus 1.
Dili lang, panalo na.
Okay, mahaba pa yan. Foul. Number 18 blue team. Substitution. Number 23, 2 free throws.
Okay.
18. Back-to-back foul. Number 18. 3 fouls na. 2 team fouls. Pag sinuhin, reverse, Vito. Vito for 3. Yes, sir! Yun talaga ang tira ni Vito. Boarding.
Yun, babago.
Igalawan pa kayo ng timeout. Hindi pa rin yung timeout. Oh, foul na naman si number 18. Number 18, 4 fouls. 3 team fouls. Timeout, blue team. 5 lang ang lamang. Mahaba pa yan. 5 minutes pa. Ayan na, pag sinuhin. Naging 3 na lang ang lamang. 23, 2 points.
Same ball.
Same ball, same ball. Warning, warning, warning. Give him space. Andrade, foul, number 26. First team foul. Ani for 3. Wala. Warning, makani, traffic. Madali si Andrade, lumusog ang pasa. Wala. Nakuha ni Vito, ipinasa kay Bastardo. Foul, si number 6. 14 foul. Foul number 6, blue team. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Wait lang. Next dead ball. Wala, ayaw. Hindi yun na-shoot. Pumasok eh. Okay, substitution. Last 2 minutes. Matagal pa yan.
Stop clock. Stop.
Who's foul rep? Walang foul na. Number, sorry, 23. Foul number 23. Pink number 23. Foul.
Pinag-alaga ng asawa, bata.
13, wala. Kapit na kay Vito. Ginasa kay 26. Foul up number 23 for 2 points. The score is tied. Tabla ang score. Tumirada. Tapos, nakakuha ni nagpagsunod. Dire-diretso sa ring. Lumipad. Pasok. Time out. Blue team. Second shot clock. Stop clock. Number 12. Foul. Number 12. Pink team. Third team foul. Dagle shooting for 2. Nakakaramdam ng pressure si Dagle. Pumasok kaya ang pangalawa? Ay, lumabas. Lumabas. Ay, nako. Blue ball. Namitawan ang bola. 47 seconds. Mahaba pa yan. Mahaba pa yan. Ngayon naman si Dagle. Muntik na. Ay! Nice steal! Ay! Tinapon ni Vito. Napunta kay 26. Same ball. Meron pa kayong isang foul na game. Big ball, big ball. One foul to give para sa penalty. 32 seconds to go. Ay, na-steal. Muntik na. Tabla ang laban. 14 seconds. Dito, pinasa kay number 12. Stop the clock. 7.5 seconds to go. Hindi pa kaya ayaw nilang time out. Pink ball. Wala ang pink. We will count the shot clock, Mr. Mo. 14 seconds.
14 seconds?
14 second shot clock. Here we go. Okay. Let's start off. Next, count yung mga shot clock. Dumiretso, sige start off. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong do or die game sa susunod na game.